Hello students, today we are studying our next point, sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4, in which first point is preparation of sulfuric acid by contact process. Sulfuric acid is manufactured by contact process which involves the following three steps, in which first step is sulfur or sulfide ore, that is iron pyrites, on burning or on roasting in air produces sulfur dioxide. This is the sulfur. When it is burned or roast in air, it produces sulfur dioxide. Here sulfide ore plus 11O2, that is sulfide ore on burning or roasting in air produces sulfur dioxide gas. Here a well balanced chemical reaction is 4Fe is used to Fe, 4S2, that is 8 sulfur, here 8 sulfur atoms. 11 into 2 will be 22 oxygen. So here 2 into 3 will be 6 and here 8 into 2 will be 16. Total 22 oxygen atoms are used. So a well balanced chemical reaction to produce sulfur dioxide. Okay. Next step is sulfur dioxide is oxidized catalytically with oxygen to form sulfur trioxide in presence of the catalyst V2O5. Here sulfur dioxide gas is catalytically oxidized, that is oxidized in presence of V2O5 to give sulfur trioxide. Okay, this is the exothermic reaction and reversible, and also the forward reaction leads to decrease the volume. Means if the reaction takes place in the forward direction, the volume of the product decreases. Therefore low temperature, that is temperature 720 Kelvin, and high pressure, that is 2 bar, are favorable conditions for maximum yield of sulfur trioxide. Okay. The third step is sulfur trioxide gas, which is formed from the catalytic converter, is absorbed in concentrated H2SO4 to produce oleum. Here dilution of oleum with water gives sulfuric acid of the desired concentration. Here sulfur trioxide absorbed in concentrated H2SO4 to give oleum, that is H2S2O7, which is oleum. This oleum on dilution with water gives sulfuric acid. Okay. The sulfuric acid obtained by the contact process is 96 to 98% pure. Next point is physical properties. H2SO4 is a colorless, dense, oily liquid. Its density, or we can say specific gravity, is 1.84 gram per cm cube at 298 Kelvin. Third is it freezes at 283 Kelvin and boils at 611 Kelvin. It is highly corrosive and produces a severe burns on skin when comes in contact. So be careful for handling H2SO4. Be careful in handling the H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid, as we can say this as a king of chemicals. It is highly corrosive and produces a severe burns on skin. Next is chemical properties, in which first is acidic property. Sulfuric acid ionizes in aqueous solution in 2 steps, in which first H2SO4 ionizes in aqueous solution, means when diluted it gives H3O positive plus HSO4 negative. This is the first step. In next step, the HSO4 negative ion again in aqueous solution gives H3O positive plus SO4 2 negative ions. Greater the value of ionization, stronger is the acid. The H2SO4 dissociate in a large amount into H positive ion and HSO4 negative ion. So H2SO4 is a strong acid. Next property is oxidizing property or reaction with metals and non-metals, in which metals and non-metals both oxidizes or oxidized by hot concentrated sulfuric acid with itself to get reduced to SO2, in which first reaction with metal, that is copper. When copper heated or oxidized in presence of H2SO4, it gives CuSO4, that is copper sulfate plus SO2 plus twice H2. Next, in case of non-metal, that is sulfur, which is come in contact with H2SO4, or we can say oxidized by hot concentrated sulfuric acid, it gives thrice SO2 plus twice H2O. Next is carbon. When carbon is oxidized in presence of hot concentrated H2SO4, that is concentrated sulfuric acid, it gives carbon dioxide plus twice SO2, that is sulfur dioxide plus twice H2O. So this is the oxidizing property, in which concentrated H2SO4 oxidizes metal and non-metal and itself converted into SO2, that is sulfur dioxide. Next property is dehydrating property. Concentrated sulfuric acid is a strong dehydrating agent. Sulfuric acid removes water molecule from sugar and carbohydrate and the carbon left behind. This is called as sugar charcoal and the process is called as charring, in which this C12H22O11, that is carbohydrate, in presence of concentrated H2SO4 removes water molecule and carbon left behind, which is called as sugar charcoal. Okay. Next chemical property is reaction with salt. Concentrated sulfuric acid decomposes the salt of more volatile acids to the corresponding acids, that is NaCl, KNO3, CaF2 are the salt, and this concentrated sulfuric acid decomposes the salt of more volatile acid to the corresponding acids. Here NaCl react with H2SO4, that is sodium chloride react with concentrated H2SO4 sulfuric acid, it gives NaHSO4, sodium hydrogen sulfate plus HCl. Okay. KNO3 decomposed by H2SO4 to give HNO3, that is nitric acid. Here CaF2 is decomposed by concentrated sulfuric acid to give CaSO4, calcium sulfate plus HF, that is hydrofluoric acid. So these are the chemical properties of sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4. Next is uses of sulfur dioxide. Next point is uses. Sulfuric acid is very important industrial chemical. It is used in the manufacturing of fertilizer. Example, ammonium sulfate, superphosphate are the fertilizers in which H2SO4, that is concentrated sulfuric acid is used. Next is in manufacturing pigments, paints, dyes or dyestuff intermediate. Next use is in petroleum refining. Fourth one is in detergent industry. Next, in metallurgy. In metallurgy for cleaning of metals, electroplating and galvanizing. Next, use in storage batteries. Also used as a laboratory reagent and also used in the manufacture of nitrocellulose product. So this is all about the sulfuric acid. Thank you.